Watch how I prep these fake wood nightstands for painting. First, I go ahead and I remove all of the hardware on both nightstands just using a simple screwdriver and the twist of the knob. They come right off.
Taken flight, things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes. Should I do? For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have a clue.
Now I'm beginning my cleaning process using a mix of TSP and some water. I'm just spraying that on and then dipping it into my water bucket, and then taking a microfiber cloth and just wiping it all down really good. I'm repeating the same process on this nightstand, except this nightstand had a little extra grime, so I had to use a cleaning brush on it, which just helps to get in those cracks to break it all up.
What's wrong? Something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy.
I'm just using a pick here to open up the drawers so I can clean the inside and the bottoms of the drawers. I'm using 180 grit to remove a lot of the finish that is already falling off of the top. That way when I apply my primer, I don't have flakes and uneven spots when I do paint. Here I'm using a 220 grit on the sides and the front. That way I can remove this glossy finish so that when I use my primer, it adheres very well. I'm just taking a clean microfiber cloth to all of the dust to get all of that off before I prime. That way it doesn't interfere with any of my primer sticking and adhering to it correctly.
What's wrong? Something isn't right. I feel I belong.
Today I'm just using Rust-Oleum's primer in a spray can. It's simple, easy. I didn't want to roll it on with all of this detail, so just using the spray paint version works just as well for me.
Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears. I'm fighting no fears. But still there's a hole.
And here they are ready for